Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be sharing our top 10 tips for successful travel vlogging. So if you are a travel vlogger looking to up your game, you are in the right place. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out, these insider tips and tricks will help you create engaging and authentic travel content that your viewer will love. So grab a notepad and pen, and let's dive in. Plan your itinerary in advance. Before embarking on your trip, plan your itinerary in advance to ensure that you have enough time to explore all the places you want to visit and capture footage for your vlog. Invest in quality equipment. Invest in high-quality camera equipment, including a good camera, tripod, and microphone, to ensure that your footage is of the highest quality. Tell a story. Your travel vlog should tell a story about your trip, rather than just being a series of clips. Be sure to narrate your vlog and provide context for the footage you are sharing. Engage with your audience. Interact with your audience through social media and encourage them to ask questions or make suggestions for future vlogs. Be authentic. Your viewer will appreciate authenticity, so be honest and open about your experiences, even if they are not always positive. Incorporate local culture. When traveling to a new place, try to incorporate local culture and customs into your vlog to give viewer a sense of the place. Edit your footage. Spend time editing your footage to make sure your vlog is well-paced and engaging. Use music and sound effects to enhance the viewing experience. Be respectful. Always be respectful of local customs and traditions, and ask for permission before filming in sensitive areas. Stay safe. Traveling can be unpredictable, so always prioritize your safety and the safety of those around you. Have fun. Most importantly, have fun. Travel vlogging is an exciting and rewarding experience, so enjoy the journey and share your passion for travel with your viewer.